FIG stock analysis for today and onwards. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I've been the only guy documenting my journey for 5 years on this YouTube channel, showing you what's working. Nobody has more videos like this in the space with actual proof. Especially with FIG, this thing has been melting, and I talked about this yesterday, but we never came into the supply zone that I kind of fancied, and it sort of went down, and that's fine. You know, my bias wise was correct. It's just that never gave me the rules to take advantage of this short. Technically, looking at this, the likelihood that the price keeps melting is high, right? Like, it's not high, it's really like top notch. Especially like outside of have like 3 results in the Discord right here, but especially because it's been melting for such a long time, and even with this small limited amount of data, the only thing that's going to make me be bullish on FIG or Figma is going to be if we start breaking about 90 bucks, and we are about $11 away from it. Yeah, that's about how it's looking like for right now. It's a bearish market. I'm not saying it's a forever thing, but for right now it is bearish. And that being said, if you want to make more money consistently and stay tuned and get daily free stock picks, click the first link in the description. It's free.